Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you what is SoFi Invest. SoFi Invest is a user-friendly investment platform offering both active and automated investing options. It caters to beginners and casual investors by providing commission-free trading, no account minimums, and access to various investment products. SoFi integrates seamlessly with its other financial services such as banking and loans, making it convenient for users already within the SoFi ecosystem. Enjoy $0 commission on stock, ETF, and option trades, making it cost-effective for investors. You can start investing without the need for a minimum deposit, lowering the barrier to entry. Utilize SoFi's robo-advisor service with no management fees, offering diversified portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Invest in fractional shares, allowing you to purchase portions of stocks and ETFs with as little as $5. Assess various IRA options including traditional, Roth, and SEP IRAs with features like quarterly rebalancing and certified financial planner support. It is benefit for a cohesive experience when using SoFi's banking, lending, and investing services together. SoFi Invest does not offer individual bonds, mutual funds, or international trading. The platform provides limited research, charting, and screening tools which may not meet the needs of advanced investors. SoFi Invest does not supporting trading in penny or over-the-counter stocks. As of 2023, SoFi has discontinued its cryptocurrency trading services. $0 for stocks, ETFs, and options trades, 0.25% annual fee for automated investing robo-advisor. Typically range from 0.05% to 0.51% depending on the portfolio type. $100 outgoing transfer fee, $25 annual inactivity fee, waived by logging in at least once every 6 months. Active investing trades stocks, ETFs, and options with zero commissions. It utilizes diversified portfolios with automatic rebalancing and goal-based planning tools. Assess traditional, Roth, and SEP IRS with features like quarterly rebalancing and certified financial planner support. SoFi Invest offers a user-friendly platform with no commissions, no account minimums, and a range of investment options suitable for beginners and casual investors. While it may lack advanced research tools and certain investment options, its seamless integration with other SoFi services and access to automated investing making it a compelling choice for those seeking a straightforward investing experience. So this is the review of SoFi Invest. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.